Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, all of my faves have been featured in a New York Times article. Spice, Aishan, and Jada Kingdom. Let's get into this video because as you guys know, 2019 is Pum Pum Power 2019, okay? It says it's a hardcore explicit content. That is really the definition of dancehall, Spice said. One of the reigning queens of the genre, which blossomed in Jamaica in the 1970s and in the midst of a global revival. Known for its raunchy sexual lyrics and explicit provocative style, dancehall has long been dominated by men. In the 80s and 90s, female artists like Lady Saw, Sister Nancy, and Patra was a rarity, using their music to challenge social and religious norms. Now, many more women are making dancehall music, and they're beginning to change the language of the genre, taking on topics like queer love and colorism. Meet our four women redefining dancehall today. Aishana, 32. Sometimes I end up being on a rhythm with 9 other men, and I have to go just as hard, if not better. In dancehall, you have a lot of things that's like a taboo topic, said Aishana. The men are allowed to say what they want unapologetically, she continued. I sing about topics that women want to talk about. Her song Equal Rights 2018 Party declares in oral sex a matter of social justice. It's almost as if we can't ask for what we want. They want it done to them, but we can. And a lot of people have been saying in the media that Aishana does not deserve to be on this list, and I have to disagree. Aishana have made her name in dancehall. She have quite a number of songs and quite a number of songs in her catalog, and she definitely deserves this spot. She has been doing her thing in dancehall for a minute, okay? So give props where props is due because she definitely deserves it. Jada Kingdom, pack up and leave if you don't want me, cause me honestly rather be lonely. You don't have no time for me? You all have to see yourself, I see. Lyrics from Love Situation 2017. It says, in her music videos, Kingdom's insecurities and romantic obsession play out in graphic extremes. In Love Situation, she carves up the body of an unfaithful man. Kingdom has been open about the challenges she faced as a survivor of sexual assault. I didn't have friends apart from family members. She said of the time after the assault, I was always writing and reading. In dancehall, the woman asserts control over her body is represented, said Karen Cooper, the author of Soundclash, Jamaican dancehall culture at large, and a professor at the University of West Indies. She controls who gets to touch and who can only look. Ella Marcis, 24, in Brown, doing splits as the winner of the dancehall battle Uptown Mondays in Kingston earlier this summer. My mindset was to go out and do things that nobody else know how to do. The video for Bless shows Sensia in bed with another woman, which displeased some of her fans. People might bash me, but I'm showing people they should be free in their own life, Shensia said. I'm not standing for the things they stood for. If I want to do it, I'm going to do it. This generation is like that. And Shensia is doing her thing. After a while, I realized that Shensia have been simmering after the whole Blessed song, but big up to her, she's still doing her thing. And then it says Spice. On stage, I'm so extra aggressive and I'm so lewd. I put on this feisty persona. I am a different person than the Spice they see on stage. Spice has been making music since the early 2000s. The most controversial moment was Black Hypocrisy, she said, referring to a fan reaction to her 2018 song. In the music video, she painted her face white. I get hate from my own race. Yes, that's a fact, because the same black people them say I'm too black, and if you bleach out your skin, them same one come a chat. Lyrics from Black Hypocrisy 2018. All my life, I've been affected by what I call colorism. I took the initiative to write the song because I have such a huge platform and I have a voice. The end of the article. Big up to Spice. Spice is the queen of dancehall, whether you want to agree or disagree, okay? The queen, Marian Hall, sit down. She has been sat down. She in a church, okay? Leave her alone. Big up to Spice. Big up to all the women that are featured. Big up to Jada Kingdom also. She's doing her thing. Her voice is unique, and I actually like her voice a lot. A lot. So big up to all of the women them. You're doing your damn thing and you're dominating dancehall music. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Who do you think needed to be added to this list? Do you think that everybody that was on this list deserved to be on this list? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.